Oh, it's been such a long, long time. Looks like I get you off of my mind, but I can't. Just the thought of you turns my whole world misty blue. Oh, honey, just the mention of your name turns my flicker into a flame. Oh, I should forget you. Heaven knows I've tried. Hey, baby, when I said that I'm glad we're through, deep in my heart, I know I've lied. I've lied. Oh, I should forget you. Deep in my heart, I know I've tried. I've tried. Oh, I should forget you. Deep in my heart, I know I've lied. I've lied.
All right, let us hear from our judges, starting with Alain. Alain.
Celia, you are a star. You are a star, undeniably so. You know, from the moment you started, you just dug down deep and you say, watch me and them today because I come for win that something here. and that is what, and also what I really appreciated about it was you kept your composure. Conroy stood up, I stood up, and you just held it together. What I would have wanted you was to actually even grow a little more, like to really dig deep into it, but that's going to come with experience and training and coaching and development. You are young, and I cannot wait to see your star shine even brighter. Welcome! Yes, girl!
Anthony.
Yeah, I guess what I liked about it, I liked your conviction. And there was a sense of completeness about it. It sounded like a complete performance. And I'm surprised you found breath because the outfit is so tight that, anyway, you did a good job.
Conroy.
Miss, the show has begun. The competition has begun. This is where all the performances tonight should start at least. It was good.
All right. Thanks, judges.